In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 content marketing benefits for small business and how you can achieve them in 2020 step by step. Hey, what's up marketers? I'm Eduard Dziak, the founder of B2B the place where you can learn how to grow your digital marketing effectively without spending money on marketing agencies. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you not just 5 benefits, but also how you can achieve them step by step with some secret tips as well for each of the benefit. So make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss anything. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post twice a week new video to help you grow your digital marketing. And without further ado, let's check the first benefit. The first benefit is content marketing bring more website traffic for small business with tiny budget or even for free. It just depends how much you can do yourself. The reason behind this is because with each new blog post and video, you start ranking for new keywords. With each new social media post, you get more exposure, and with each sent email, more people will get familiar with your brand. So to put it in the perspective, content marketing works as a bridge between your brand and your potential clients. And the more you expand your content marketing, the bigger the bridge is. But let's talk about how you can bring more website traffic with content marketing. First, you need to start obviously with content marketing, but not just start, because you need to decide what content marketing strategy you should use for your brand. And to help you with that, I have created a very useful video about content marketing strategies for small business. So check it out after this video here. The second step, you need to create a reasonable content marketing plan that you can sustain in the long run. Remember, this is not a sprint. For this, I have also created a video how you can create content marketing plan for small business. So you can check it out here after this video. And the third step, what you need to do is start publishing your content and try to stick to it. Remember, quality over quantity. But it doesn't mean you should post once every quarter or once a year. The consistency is key as well. The second benefit is content marketing improve your targeting. Thanks to content marketing, you can very precisely target the people who you want to attract to your business. So this gives you the power to bring people who are currently interested in your products and services. So how can you improve your targeting with content marketing? First, you need to sit down and write down your target audience, which means the group of people that are most likely to buy your products or services, and then write down your marketing personas in detail. You can also take this from your current customers. Remember, focus on their pain points, gains, benefits, and other aspects why they buy your products and services. The second step is to create your content marketing around those people and for those people only. That's when the magic happens and when the content marketing becomes so powerful. And lastly, take what you have learned and get rid of what doesn't work. Use more what does work and bring new ideas. Remember, your prospects are constantly evolving, and so your content marketing should too as well. The third benefit is content marketing massively increase lead generation for any type of business. Why am I saying for any type of business? It's because content marketing increase lead generation for even expensive products and services. And actually, the more expensive the product and service is, the more you need content marketing. Why? Because the more expensive the product or service is, the bigger research needs to be done. For example, if you want to buy a new car or fridge, house, painting for the entire house or whatever expensive stuff, you probably spend weeks or even months to research about it. And the more expensive it is, usually the longer and thorough the research is. To explain it even better, let me tell you how you can do that. To increase your lead generation, you need to find what and how people are actually researching about your products and services. That means you need to find the phrases and questions they use to learn about your products and services. And there are several ways how you can do that. Like for example, use Google search bar where you can type your business nature or keyword related to your business and Google auto suggest shows the most search terms for that. Or the best way, which I got from Brandine from Backlinko, is Amazon Kindle Store. Search for your products or services, find the latest and most popular ebook, look inside and find table of contents. This is one of the best way because they already done in-depth research about the current most popular topics within your industry. And now you just need to produce content based on these topics as they answer the questions your potential buyers might have. But don't copy that. Write down your own ideas and knowledge based on these topics. The fourth benefit is content marketing boosts your website conversion rate by more than 5 times according to Aberdeen. And even those who did not create the right content actually saw increase in website conversion rate. Of course, not that significant, but it shows that content can boost your conversion rate. And that is why I was explaining about content marketing plan, target audience, personas, and finding the right topic. Because all of this will help you create the right content for your audience. And right content will massively boost your conversion rate. So let's look at how you can boost your conversion rate with content marketing. Like I already said, you need to create the right content. That is why I choose the benefits in such order. As first, you need to drive traffic, then properly target the traffic, and after start generating leads. And now we will convert those leads. So I hope it started making sense for you because now I will explain how you can actually improve the conversion rate. After you start creating quality targeted content, you must optimize that content with conversion rate optimization strategies. Remember, strong optimized targeted content will increase conversions and your visibility on search engines and across social media, and it will reach your prospective buyers more effectively. So start optimizing your content with conversion rate optimizations techniques. For example, use proper call to actions, which means always say what you want your users to do, whether on video, blog post, or social media post. Like me, remember when I asked you to subscribe? That's when I use call to action. So don't forget to subscribe, okay? Somewhere here, I think it's here on this side. Or what I have found very effective is to focus on your design, especially on your website. Trust me, people judge your success based on how your website looks like. If it looks like crap, then even the best content will have a hard time to convert. Trust me, design does a lot. So this is just a few examples of conversion rate optimization strategies, but you can find plenty on Google. So just go on Google and type it, and you will find plenty of those. The fifth and last benefit of content marketing is it builds customer loyalty. With the right content, you not just boost your conversion rate, but also you will build the relationship with your users and therefore improve the trust between your audience and your brand. And this is absolutely essential part of content marketing because the right content educates and entertain your users and readers at the same time, and it will resonate with your potential customers. Just think about the certain TV shows or magazines or any media company. They are great to build this sense of attachment people have towards their favorite TV shows or magazines. So how can you actually build customer loyalty? First, like I said, you need to provide valuable, educating and entertaining content for your users. This kind of content needs to create thought leadership for your brand and show you are the expert in industry. This builds the trust between your users and your brand, which ultimately helps you that they start liking your brand and you as well. The second, focus on your brand personality. and what makes you different and unique. The great way how to express it is by storytelling or using real life scenarios from your brand. Also, share your brand values, show off your team, let them understand your identity and beliefs, and show them the brand culture. And that's why it is better to do it by yourself or have in content marketing team, as they can naturally express the brand culture better than the outsourced team. And all of this will help you to build the customer loyalty, and they will spread the message about your brand and how great you are. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you like it. And leave a comment below what benefit is the most important for your business right now. And also, don't forget to check out all the links in the description. I have some cool tools for your content marketing, SEO, and digital marketing. Ciao!